Hello, I'm Mayor Phil Good with your weekly update. I hope you're enjoying the mild weather, but trust me, the weather will be getting warmer before you know it. When that happens, water use expands around the city of Prescott as many citizens and businesses increase outdoor water use. This is a great time to think about water conservation, especially following a very dry fall and winter. The city offers many water conservation incentives, including free water-saving items for fixtures, outdoor watering accessories, and 9 different types of rebates. If you're upgrading your home with new appliances and fixtures, consider water-efficient products. Today's efficient models provide excellent performance at reasonable prices, and there are many models of low-flow toilets and urinals, ultra-efficient washing machines, and hot water recirculators that qualify for water conservation rebates for all City of Prescott water customers. Toilet rebates range from $100 to $150 for toilets using 1.28 gallons per flush or less. Qualifying ultra-high efficiency washing machines are eligible for a $200 rebate. Customers with septic systems qualify for an additional $50 for these 2 rebates. The city also offers free indoor water conservation items such as shower flow regulators, toilet tank flushless bags, and flow diverters and lower flow sink aerators. If considering a landscape upgrade, our water conservation specialist is available to help you identify strategies that work for your home or business, including tips and key questions to ask your landscaping company. Schedule a visit to pick up free sample items and to discuss affordable outdoor watering accessories. New this year, Prescott also offers free outdoor watering accessories for leak repairs and to increase irrigation performance while reducing the amount of water used. Be sure to visit prescottwater.com or call 928-777-1130 for rules and guidelines before you start your rebate project, and remember to keep all receipts. The City of Prescott Solid Waste Division is introducing a new appointment-based bulk item collection program. Each residential trash customer qualifies for 1 complimentary collection per calendar year. No more pesky piles left out for weeks, and no more worries about missed opportunities, because you can now schedule your pickup to meet your family's needs. Pre-registration is required, and this new program will begin June 2nd, 2025. The new appointment-based bulk collection is as easy as 1, 2, 3. 1. Register online for your pickup. 2. Get confirmation and instructions from our team. And 3. Set out your item by 6 a.m. on your scheduled date. Please remove any items near the curb that you don't wish to be picked up, and to avoid disposal and follow guidelines for collections. Commercial businesses and communities on dumpster service are not eligible for this service. For more information, please go to prescottrecycles.com. The final downtown bollard installation at the intersection of Willis and Montezuma Streets has been completed. Thank you for your patience. These bollards will make our downtown that much safer during the many events and parades we have in downtown Prescott. I've received several comments about the number of construction projects happening in the Prescott area. We have a small window to be able to conduct major road projects in the city that consists of about 4 to 5 months, post-winter storms and pre-monsoons. In other road maintenance information, there's currently a microseal project along Whipple and Montezuma Streets from Miller Valley Road to the LaGuardia Bridge. Microseal is a mixture of aggregate and emulsion that is applied to the existing asphalt. The work will occur through Friday, May 9th, weather permitting, and following microseal operations, crews will return to perform striping operations. Pavement preservation work along Gurley Street will occur in the coming weeks. Once complete, these improvements will extend pavement life and enhance road quality for Prescott motorists. The City of Prescott is bringing back its ambassador program on a pilot basis, and we're looking for friendly, service-oriented volunteers to help visitors navigate the new City Hall. Ambassadors assist guests by directing them to the appropriate departments, answering basic questions about city services, and helping to create a welcoming atmosphere. Shifts will be weekly or biweekly in 3-hour blocks. Hours are Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m., and the target launch date for this new program is the first week of June. A background check and a brief interview is required. Please consider joining this renewed community-focused program and help us make it a success. Council will have a special executive session tomorrow to discuss issues related to public inspections with our attorneys. This meeting is not open to the public. On Wednesday, May 7th, the Mayor's Veterans Commission will meet at 9 a.m. at the Grace Sparks Activity Center on Gurley Street. Next week, Tuesday, May 13th, City Council meetings will begin taking place on the first floor of the City Hall at 201 North Montezuma Street. All Council and Board, Committee, and Commission meetings typically held in chambers will be relocated to the new updated chambers on the first floor. The utility billing and community development offices will be closed during their relocation to the first floor of the new City Hall this Friday, May 9th. Building inspections will still be performed during the relocation, but must be scheduled through PrescottPermits.com. Please note that utility billing will no longer have a drive-through at the new location. However, payment drop box will be available in the parking lot for customers' payments. Regular operating hours will resume Monday, May 12th at the new location, 201 North Montezuma Street, so please consider using the city's online payment portal to view and pay your bills. With these changes, there will no longer be public access or city business conducted at the old City Hall at 201 South Cortez Street after May 8th. The city received 5 applications to fill the vacancy of Councilmember Kathy Rusing. This vacancy will be filled through November of 2027. Applications will be reviewed in the executive session meeting next Tuesday, May 13th, at which time Council will select the candidates to be interviewed during a special meeting on Tuesday, May 20th, 2025. Council hopes to select the appointee and swear them in at the conclusion of the Tuesday, May 20th meeting in order for them to begin serving as a member of Council by Tuesday, May 27, 2025. I want to thank all those who have offered to serve on Council. The quality of these applicants makes this selection more difficult. Our city is fortunate to have such dedicated citizens. I'm Mayor Phil Good, and I'll update you again next week. Thanks for watching.